Hey, are you an Amazon seller who is actually struggling to grow your sales? Then in this video, I'm going to show you two metrics that you need to follow, observe, and implement that can actually give you consistent growth month over month. Hi, my name is Viral and I run Amazon advertising agency where we partner and help brands to grow dramatically in just few short months. So now let me ask you, how do you think the shopping happens on Amazon? There are only two ways to actually get more sales. Number one is traffic, second is conversion. Let's talk about these two metrics. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say if 100 visitors are coming to your listing and 10 people are buying, that means 10% is your conversion. The only way to increase the sales is to increase the amount of traffic that you're getting on your listing. So imagine instead of 100 people, you can get 200 people on your listing at the same 10% conversion. That means now 20 people are buying. Or you can have the same 100 people in your listing and go from 10% to 12% conversion, then 12 people are buying, two additional sales. Now let's talk about traffic. What is traffic and how can you get a lot of free traffic? Number one, in order to get more traffic, you need to have lots of keywords in your listing. Literally, most people do not focus on SEO. They think SEO is not that big of a deal. You got to understand only few people do it. That is why it is so important that you take the power of what is given to you. You can almost index and use 2000 keywords in your listing as compared to just putting 10-12 keywords. That's correct. You can start right from all the keywords that you can find from your titles, bullet points, right to description. And one more thing which most people don't know is about A+ listing that gets indexed. Anything that you put in the A+ listing that is also ranked by Amazon, and you literally have 2000 plus characters or images or keywords that you can use in your A+ listing and get all those free traffic from that keyword. So imagine now you have a listing with almost 2000 keywords and your competitors are only having 200, 300, 400 keywords. Who is going to get more visitors, more traffic on the listing free of cost? That's you. That's exactly number one, how you can increase more traffic in your listing. Have an A+, index it completely with all the keywords. You got to remember, keywords are the listing copy is for bots. It's for Amazon's algorithm, and images are for buyers. So people buy from images and not text. Which brings me to the second point, which is called how do I increase conversions? Conversions can be improved with only one thing, that is called design. How good is your images? How good is your A+? Does it give you a premium brand feel? If you have amazing design which talks to the customer, you have a brand story to tell in your A+ content, I promise you, you can do two things. Number one, you can charge more, and at the same time, people will be willing to buy you over your competitors just because of the design. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है in the online world, right? So another one that you can increase more sales is by driving relevant and high quality traffic using Amazon advertising. So if you have good traffic, you have good conversion, and you are also running ads on top of that, the game is almost won. Now, if you just focus on improving more traffic and conversion month after month, that's the only thing that you need to increase your sales. Now, I'm just going to share with you a screen recording showing you exactly how and what to do. Now, let's talk about design. If you see over here, this listing, first of all, when I say design, that means that your images, आपके images should be world class. Yes, you heard me right. It should be world class. Can you see the images over here, right? Every single image that you can see over here. Let me just browse everything. This looks 10 times premium than every other product that is on the market. You can see this over here. See the second image. Amazing, right? This is what is called as design. Your design makes you charge more money and charge more sales. You can see it over here. The third design, can you see it over here? Amazing high quality design. See it over here, right? Every single design, right from the color. And if I just talk about the color, can you see they have this bluish and gold color? Can you check it over here? Bluish and gold. Every single product has a bluish and gold finish, right? This is what we call as design, right? Over here, amazing design. How you can use it, right? And where you can use it. Then you can see about the guarantee. Another beautiful design. You can see perfect for tea, Coca-Cola. And this is a simple mug, remember. But the way it is portrayed, it's all about design. Every single thing is all about design, right? Now, and do you see this is only photoshopped? It's not even a real image. It's all photoshopped, right? Now, let me go down and show you exactly how the design should be. When you go down, check the design of this A+. Bam! This is fantastic. Can you see every single thing? And you can click it over here and a new product will open. This is all these are their products only. You can see it over here. Now a new product has been opened up. Yes. Now if you go down and you go scroll below, they have the entire library of every single product that they are selling. Now let's go down. And as I go down, you can see this is amazing first A+ banner, amazing design, amazing feature highlights. You can see the lifestyle image right over here. And these are not real models. Let me zoom in and show you, right? These are not the real models. They are just using the Photoshop image. Yes. So let me just go back and show you. You can see it over here, right? Another one. Amazing, like how the packaging looks like. And then this is a call to action where a buyer comes and they can click on any of this listing. Yes. So that's what is called as design. Design should be aesthetically pleasing, right? So the number one reason to grow your sales is design after SEO. If you have right set of keywords, you can definitely grow so much sales, at least 15 to 20% without any doubt. And you can see if you go later on, and let me just go a little bit up, and that's actually the topic for the next time. You can see they have a video as well, a jam-packed listing, everything right over here. They have every single keyword that is required right from here till here, every single thing. All right, so that's more about how you can create images that actually sell and increase your sales, as compared to any other mug. A buyer would buy this at a premium price just because of its image. And I always repeat and I always tell you that listings are for bot. Listing bot ke liye hoti hai. Images are for human. People shop through images. People don't read what you have put over here. So this is only for the SEO purpose. It's majorly ये SEO purpose के लिए ही होता है. It is not for the human. Now let's talk about the third component, which is Amazon advertising, right? Now the third part to actually increase your sales is Amazon advertising. Now you can see right over here, if I type any keyword, let's say double wall insulated coffee mugs, these are like the keyword, and type it over here. Okay. Now you can see it over here. The moment I type this kind of a keyword, can you see the ad? Number one. Number two, amazing video ad, right? If you go down, another one. So Amazon advertising is king, right? You can see every single where. And let me type another keyword to check if they are running ads, right? Let us go to, let's say, glass espresso cups, and see how they are advertising. Even if you see over there, can you see they are advertising on their own listing? ये उनका ही listing है, and they are advertising over here. This is called amazing advertising. So there is no leakage. कोई भी इधर competitor का ad नहीं है. So whenever somebody clicks, they will end up actually buying their product only, right? You can see this is also their product. If you go down, let me show you another part. You can see it over here. Let's go down and you see. Let's see, this is also their product. Their sponsored product, right? You can see their product over here. Another sponsored product, their product over here. And when you go down, let's say you go over here, another product of their own, another product of their own. This is also their product. So they are literally making the best use of Amazon advertising. And if I type any keyword, let's say this is another keyword. So if you see, every single way they are targeting every single thing that they can do. All the advertisement right from here to here, everything is for them. So you got to understand there are things that you need to understand in Amazon advertising, which is so important. So first comes SEO, second comes traffic, which means कैसे आपके listing पे बहुत सारे लोग आ सकते हैं. That comes through the SEO, मतलब search engine optimization. That means आपको आपके keywords डालने हैं listing में and A+, right? A+ content. Conversion, that means design. This is all good, amazing, wow design. And then Amazon ads. So traffic and conversions are the two single metric to actually help you grow your sales dramatically. And 90% of the sellers are not focusing on this, which is having right and amazing, a lot of keywords in your listing and design. Only focusing on Amazon ads will not get you sales. Now, if I show you another part, all this A+ listing, all these actually have keywords which you can actually use in your listing that will help you rank on Amazon. All these keywords, they all rank and get indexed on Amazon. Now, the way you can do it over here is you can click on this and go to your A+ listing. And let's say you select this A+ listing. You go to advertising, you go to A+ content, and this will come. When you click on this image, let's say, all the keywords that you put over here, Amazon will actually help you rank on those keywords. Nobody knows it, maybe only few people, but most of the people don't do it. So don't leave these things blank. Instead, fill the entire keyword set in the entire A+ listing, and that will actually give you a crazy amount of keywords that you can get free traffic from. And you got to understand that you need at least or approximately 3,000 keywords to be put in your listing, and that includes A+ content, which you can almost put 2,000 keywords or more, and keywords in your listing. When I say listing, that means that everything right from your title to description to your bullet points. All right, that's it from this video. I hope this video was helpful and it actually gave you an understanding what you truly need to grow your sales. If you are an Amazon seller and actually doing decent sales, but you don't have the time to do the stuff of Amazon advertising or grow your sales, then you can always reach out to us and we can help you with the same after auditing your account. All right, that's it from this video, and I'm going to see you again later. Bye-bye.